Clare's Tomato by Ed Keller. Children should experience the joy of gardening at every chance they get. Gardening allows kids to learn a variety of practical skills and promote a protective attitude towards everything they see in nature. Teaching children how to grow their own food helps them realize how valuable our natural resources truly are. Having organic, homegrown produce in their backyard that rely on their daily care and dedication instill a sense of responsibility and accountability. All these and more are vividly captured in my entertaining and educational book, Clare's Tomato. Get a copy of Clare's Tomato